How much money do we need to survive? How much money do you need to survive? This COVID 19 pandemic has taught us that we can live with very basic things. We do not need any expensive things to survive, to live. What we need to survive, what we need to live. First thing we need to survive is oxygen. And oxygen is natural gift. It's free to all of us. What do you think? Second important thing is to survive. Second important thing is water. Water is also free of cost. Many companies have come forward. They sell pure water. They just purify it and sell it. But why do we need to buy it? we get it free of cost. It is naturally available. Third thing we need to survive is food. In last video I have told you we need to show our gratitude towards farmers because they work hard to feed us. They work hard to make us food available to have meal thrice a day. We don't have to do much about it. We just have to buy food from our farmers. So we have got oxygen naturally, we have got water naturally, we have farmers have given us food. The fourth thing we need to survive is cloth. Cloth? Do we really need cloth to survive? Can't we live without clothes? We can live without clothes too. Then why we wear clothes? We wear clothes because it is natural tendency of humans. It is natural and common sense of humans to cover their body. Then fifth thing that is required to live, to survive is shelter. Shelter means why do we need shelter? We need shelter to take rest, to sleep at night, to protect us, our family. When our ancestors they were living in jungles, they were needing shelters to protect their family from the animals living in jungle. So 5 things we have looked. First thing we need is oxygen, then water, then food, clothes, shelter. These 5 things are very basic. These were very important things that were needing to survive on this planet Earth. But we are living in this 21st century, and in this 21st century we can't live with just these 5 things. We need again 2 more things. I add 2 more things with these basic things. 6th one is health and 7th one is education. We should get some basic health facilities to survive. When we get ill or when we get infected with some disease, we should get some basic health facilities to survive, to live. Education is also have become very important thing, a basic thing to survive in 21st century. No one can stay illiterate in 21st century. Everyone should be literate, everyone should be able to write, read, everyone should be able to communicate to their region and across nations too. People should be able to understand their language and other countries' language, to have some communication and to have some trade also. So we have seen 7 basic things to survive. In these 7 things, many of the things are naturally available. You don't have to buy them. Very few things you have to buy to have some trade. We have seen 7 basic things that we need to survive. Oxygen is freely available, water is freely available, food, clothes and shelter you have to buy, and government is providing free. Government is providing education and health facilities in very basic fees. It is almost free of cost, provided by at least Indian government. So you can calculate how much cost you need to survive on this planet Earth. It is very less. You just have to tell yourself, means while you will cover your body with clothes, you do not have to see branded clothes. You just have to see you are getting enough clothes to cover your body. That's it. If you go after branded things, then your cost of living will increase automatically. So that is not the basic thing. That is your extra things that you will do, and that will increase the cost of your living. So these were the 7 basic things. And one more thing I have missed while telling you, that is really very important in 21st century. Without that 8th thing, you wouldn't have seen me on this video. Have you got what am I telling about? Have you got which thing I am telling about? Just try to guess. Got it? Yes, that is internet. Without internet in 21st century we are nowhere. Means it is the technology that have made us made it help us to communicate. I'm talking with you, you are listening to me with the help of technology. With the internet, what we use social media, we use it to search the things. But internet is also not a thing, that is basic thing. Means without internet you can live, but if you have got the access of internet, please do use it limited. Use of social media should be very limited. Use it very limited, because extra uses of this, you will get addicted to social media. And addiction to social media is as equal as addiction to tobacco and alcohol. Seriously, it is as addictive as tobacco and alcohol. Be very cautious while using social media. Social media don't come in basic things. So with the help of this video, I have told you what you need and how much money. I haven't told you exact money that we will need to survive, but you must have got some idea that how money really needs to survive on this planet Earth. Hope this video have helped you. This is Rahul Shande. We'll meet again in another video. Thank you for watching.